welcome back to Revine. Today we are heading to beautiful Konavle region where we will be able to see the old-timers tour as well as wine tasting at the local winery. So come along with us to this adventure, and I'm sure that on your next trip to Croatia you will be able to experience a lot of different things. So these two services can be part of your itinerary while you're here, or also can be just like separate for like a day trip. So you can choose on your own what are your preferences. Stay tuned and let's discover Konavle together.
So hello everyone, welcome in countryside of Konavle region. Here we are in the village of Zastolje. It's the southeast part of Croatia, where all old-timers Renault 4 cars are parked. They could be the part of the old-timer tour through the Konavle region. We are exploring different villages because of the culture, because of the gastronomy. We just want to present the region in a better way so the people can meet also and have an interaction with the local people. We could start from here actually, or it's possible also to deliver the car to the spot that we agree from Dubrovnik or some other part of the region. The tours can last up to 2.5 hours, up to 5 to 6 hours, depending on all facilities included. We can arrange even lunch or dinner or some snacks during the tour.
Well, I'm sure that you like these tours, and this is really something unique that you can discover here in Dubrovnik. It all depends if you have a smaller or larger group, we can combine it. And here, all of these vehicles are waiting for you.
Here we are in a beautiful olive mill. It's 5 century years old. It's a family household. That family used to make an olive oil for the family ourselves and also for the surrounding people. So we transformed this beautiful place in a tavern to gathering people for the snack, can be the lunch. The speciality of our menus for the lunch, especially, it's peka, traditional meal, where we are cooking and baking meat, potatoes, vegetables, everything at the same time under the iron bell. This is very famous dish in the whole Dalmatia, actually. Beside that, we can offer just a refreshment for our guests that are passing through the region, but also can be a nice presentation of the olive mill and as well olive oil tasting. So we invite you to come to join us to hire Renault 4 tour, so we can combine those tours with gastronomy to explore the whole region of Dubrovnik.
Hi, hello, my name is Renata and welcome to Bratoš vineyards. Here we are in a Dubrovnik countryside valley of Konavle, which is worldwide famous wine growing and winemaking region. Among wine tasting here in Konavle Valley, you can do a lot of other outdoor activities which are very famous and very popular in this past few years, like hiking, country sightseeing, or even biking. So Bratoš family is in this business since 1900. So we have a very long tradition of winemaking and wine growing. We grew wines on approximately 5 acres of land, and we produce 5 different types of wine. We have our indigenous variety of Dubrovnik called Malvasia Dubrovačka, which is the most valuable one, and other traditional varieties like Maraština. The other varieties are worldwide varieties like Muscat and Merlot. Along the vines which we grew, we have also approximately 30 olive trees, and we produce our organic olive oil that you can taste along our wine tasting and small snack that we offer along the wine tasting.